In this question, it is given that there are 999 bases in an RNA that codes for a protein with 333 amino acids, and the base at position 901 is deleted such that the length of the RNA becomes 998 bases. So you have to identify how many codons will be altered. Now it is given that the RNA has 999 bases and it codes for 333 amino acids. Now there is deletion of one base at position 901 and the RNA sequence becomes 998 bases long. And this deletion causes a frame shift mutation, that is, altering the reading frame from the point of deletion onwards. Now, so the effect of the frame shift mutation would be that the codons before position 901, that is 900 divided by 3 equal to 300 codons remain unchanged. The codon at position 901 and all its subsequent codons would be affected. So from position 901 onwards, there are 999 minus 900 divided by 3 is equal to 33 codons. So the number of altered codons would be 33 codons. Since the deletion shifts the reading frame, so all these 33 codons from position 901 onward would be altered. So the correct answer is option B.